A few of our quails have been getting out. They got out, and we done caught about 3 of them today. Sophia just found this little fella. The neat thing about quail is after a while they get tired and they can't fly anymore. So you'll just see them walking around. And so this little fella right here, yeah, you got caught. We caught you. You better be glad we caught you before the cat did. Look at you. Okay, go on home now. And you behave yourself. Whoop. Ah!
Can I hold it, Sophia?
That must be a rooster. It must be a male because he's acting aggressive. Okay, take him on home. Put him in this little enclosure.
Wait, I'll go with you so I can hold it.
Actually, I'll drive and you hold it.
I actually think there's a female group. Male look pretty.
Yeah.
You have to stay calm, okay?
Yeah, calm down.
Come on.
Oh!
Let me hold it.
Okay.
I'll hold it tight.
You're the one who let him go, Becca.
Yeah, because Hannah was holding it. I was trying to grab it.
Everyone else was just grabbing it.
Okay. Hold on tight to him.